Alright, good day. My name is Narendran as the group leader. So today for the network management and performance analysis for our project, the tool I'm using is the PRTG network monitoring. So this is the software I'm using to monitor all the local probe and remote probe. So the first step we're doing is the installation. So we have to go to the Passler website. If you go to the Passler website first, in this testing purpose we're using the trial edition. So this is the website, and if you scroll down, this is the trial. So if you click the free trial edition, then it will take time to create the installation, to download the file. Then click start the downloader. While the download installation is running, so copy the license key for later user. If the Pascal installation asks the license key, so save it in the notepad. If you're asked to the license key to enter the installation. Okay, after the download is complete, open the installer. Okay, press OK. So this is the license agreement. I accept the agreement. Next. Okay, this one you have to enter your email address in order to verify that is your email that you're using. So this is an email. So this is the express. So recommended install everything as an express. We have to wait a few minutes in order to complete this installation. Okay, after installation is complete, the system will start its service automatically, and right away the browser will open itself and start the survey. As you can see, this is the interface. It's a web-based interface. It's ready to meet it. Okay, after the installation, anyway, you're asking to log in. So the login is the PRTG admin. This is the default login name and login password. So after this login, we can proceed to the dashboard. So press to login the PRTG. Anyway, so this is our dashboard. Will take a few minutes in order to collect its data. So you can see the core heads is getting all the data. So we'll take a few minutes and return we do the setup. Alright, for the second step for the setup, so this is our dashboard. So you can see all the information that is collected, core health or everything, probe health, system health, disk free. So the real tech for the LAN connection, for the hardware sensor. So the network infrastructure, the internet HTTP, the DNS pin, DNS version 2, all the info. If you scroll down, there is more interface that is connected, that is detecting in the network. And below that is the PRTG server core. So we're using our PC as a server core. So for the next step, we have to set our password. Click OK to show me. So the guidance will help us to how to do the setup. So the login and the password is the default PRTG admin. So for the login name, you can put any name. So this for testing purpose, we put a line Rex because I'm using for my personal email address in for this testing purpose. Then after the password, so the password say admin123. So the A is capital letter. Then OK done, we will save it. Next is to verify the email. Press OK done. For the next step is to enable to the SSL TLS for the PRTG web interface in order to work the connection. So it says not secure. So press yes to it is automatically restart and secure the connection. It will take time because it's restarting the PRTG core service. Okay, after restarting, then the core service will try to log in. So login, our login name is LionRex and the password is admin123 and the A is capital letter, part of the requirement. So this is our interface. It will take time to recollect the data back. So after a few minutes adding sensor, all the simple basic things. Anyway, so this is the interface looks like. For the next step, for the remote installation, one of our member will explain that part. So that is all. Thank you very much.
Hello sir, my name is Ramesh. So today I'm going to explain about sensors. And sensors is like we have a prop health, system health, and disk free, and another two more sensor. So this sensor is like fundamental to network monitoring platform PRTG network monitor, as they gather the information from various sources and provide valuable insights into the performance and reliability. So the first one we'll see the prop health and the prop health sensor, and this one will be referred to the performance of prop, which is or remote props in various locations to extend monitoring capabilities. And this one is to ensure the props themselves are functioning correctly and reliably collect and report the monitor data. So the second one, so the second one is the system health. So the system health is refers to the monitoring of various aspects of the PRG server and ensure the optimal performance and reliability. This one will be include the CPU load, memory usage, and disk space and response time. The third one is disk free. This sensor will help us like keeping track of the disk usage and ensure that there are enough space to avoid potential issues related to the storage capacity. And the fourth one is Intel dual band wireless. We use this one as a Windows network card sensor lah. So the fifth one is we use a Realtek PCIe family controller. It's also like a Windows network card sensor also. So another thing also we will add the sensor. So at the first type we use add sensor is like a packet sniffer. Let me type packet sniffer. Okay. This packet sniffer will is usually to capture and analyze the network traffic in detail. This is the packet sniffer we use. Then this one will be choosing Intel dual band wireless. Then the other one is the Realtek PCIe family controller lah. This is the two network adapters we will be using, and we will be use grade. Then go to all again. Then we can see the packet cipher as added inside this this sensor lah. So usually, so then next we will be adding the sensor, another sensor which is called Windows CPU load. So this one will be using how the CPU resources of Windows system are being utilized, and it will be like this. Okay, for this also CPU load will be then will be creating the same thing. Then go to all. So you can see this the Okay, another layer CPU loop, and we another add another sensor also. Now we use memory. So we're using WIM memory, WMI memory, sorry, WNI memory. So you use this formula. So we click this and memory, then trace tree to create, and click all. Then you can see we have to add the sensor. Then we add another sensor, um, which call let me type this Windows system uptime. So this one will provide information about how long Windows system has been running continuously without a reboot or shutdown. And now we go to create and click all. Then the sensor as added lah. You can see it. So this is payload, this is memory, and the Windows also added. So now in network infrastructure we add. Okay, this is we will use the basic device name, which is internet. We first will type internet, then IPv4, and the IPv4 address is 192.168.157, no, 137.38. So this is the IPv4 address. Then we click OK. No, that's it. Wait, I said scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, the information correct, and then we click OK. Then the sensor, add sensor. Then they will be using HTTP. So this HTTP will be monitor HTTP involves tracking the availability, response time, and performance of web services and servers. So in this PRTG network, so this one also will be monitor a web server using HTTP. So now we click and we will be creating. So now in the URL we use MMU's website. So now paste, yes. So we go to create. So go to devices all and add another sensor. And now we use HTTP version 2. So now we're creating, and this one also will be used MMU website too. Then we create and go to all. Then we'll have another sensor to add, and we use ping. Sorry for the error just now. So now ping. So ping usually ping sensors are commonly used to monitor the availability and latency of network devices such as routers, switch, servers, and great. And now is the ping, and it shows that will be great. So devices all, go to next is using another ping also too. And ping version 2 also will be add another ping also. Create and ping version 2. Then now we use create also. So the sensors also add ping, edit ready. You click off and go whether check is edit ready or not. Yes, it is edit ready. Then we can check lah, or we can check if there's any sensors we love to want to add or more. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Praveen Nair. My ID number is 1211305741. So today I'm going to be presenting about the group root. So these are the group roots for sensors like prop health, system health, disk free, packet sniffer, Windows CPU load, memory, Windows system uptime. And first of all, we can see the updates that we have done the analysis for prop health. So these are the last scan and last up. So for the updates for 2 hours, it will update every 15 seconds. You can see the time here, every 15 seconds. So for the 2 days, it will update every 1 hour. Every 1 hour. Sorry, every 6 hour. It will update every 6 hour. For the 30 days, it will update every 1 month. For 365 days, it will update 2 months once. So these are the channels that we can see for the updates. So for the threads, we can see the 131 hashtag and the top least memory. And system health. System health refers to the monitoring of various aspects of the PRTG server and its props to ensure optimal performance and reliability. So which means this involves using specific sensors which RPTG to track metrics like CPU load, memory usage, disk space, and response times. And this mesh is a help to creep the disk usage to ensure there is enough space to avoid the potential issues related to storage capacity. So these are the updates. So there are some free bytes for local C, D, E, F, G, H, and C, and so on. And for the Qualcomm Ethos, also same. Can see the updates and also the channels. These are the channels for the traffic in and traffic out. So next is Realtek PCI. So you can see the updates and also the channels. So this is the sensor packet sniffers. Okay, there are three top sensor packet sniffer, top talkers, top connections, and top protocols. Top protocols refers to the network protocols that account to the highest percentage of traffic on a network. So for the talkers, refer to the network devices or hosts that generate the highest volume of on a network. For the connections, this refers to the most active and frequently used communication links between network devices or host. So we use a MMU address to monitoring HTTP involves tracking the availability, response time, and performance of web services and servers. In PRTG network monitoring HTTP typically involves using the HTTP sensor to check the status of web servers and services. So let's say in top protocols. So these are the channel for www various and also the infrastructure. So let's get back to the CPU load and also memory. So we can see all the updates for the HTTP. So these are the updates for the HTTP, and its loading time 112 and millisecond. For the HTTP v2, the response code is okay, and for the ping, maximum is 5 millisecond, minimum is 3 millisecond. So the ping time, every ping time for the update is of 4 seconds, 4 milliseconds. So ping v2, so status reachable. So let's see the report. This is the summary report for all sensor. So we choose a define a custom date range and we change to current period today. So this is the result for current today. So it's 100%. So for the prop device, so all sensors, you can see the updates for the all sensors. So we go to device, choose all. So this is the result that we have done. So next, we also can see the storage drivers in desktop that we are split into two for HDD1 and HDD2. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Good day, sir. Myself, Ravindrash Narasimhan, and today I'm going to talk about the remote probe of our project. So this is the SSPC, the current PC I'm doing, and this is the management, system management. So without wasting the time, let's go to the remote probe installation. Just click the add remote probe, and we will there will be a thing. We will prepare your probe connection settings to allow the remote probe to connect. So just prepare and download first. Okay, once you download, just save in downloads no issues. So I'm creating a new file there. Just start download, and once you done this, we go to the downloads remote, and this is the execution application that has been installed. So this is the main important thing. A different installation has different specific key for that. It's like a serial key. For this one is the FB49B6B2. So let's wait for the next step. All right. Now let's install the setup. So okay, just click to install. Okay, while the thing installing, just wanna give you a clear example. So, remote probe in PRTG network monitor is an add-on to the primary PRTG server that lets you keep an eye on networks and devices that are directly reachable from the PRTG server itself. Branch offices, isolated network segments, remote sites, and widely distributed networks can all be monitored with the help of remote probes in order to gather monitoring data from these remote sites and send back to the central PRTG server for analysis and reporting. So, okay, once that thing installed, it tries to connect the network to the server. So let's look about it. Once done the installation thing, just click the installation done, and you can see the buffering thing is waiting for the remote probe to connect. So you have to wait until the installation is done. So let's see. So yeah, welcome back. So now is the trying to connect in the server while the other things are searching for the actual remote probe to connect. So you have to give it a little time while your remote probe is connecting. So done. We have connected to the server. So once done this, you can just click continue to go further. So yeah, that's all for the installation part. It is still waiting for the remote probe to connect. So once the other setup is connected to the server, it will come like this. So it will just clear up the nodes, configuration nodes that you have installed the version. So let's approve and auto discover the thing. Let's click that. All right, it's approving the prop. So here it is. It's the desktop R6PPLND is the setup we have installed this particular remote. So without wasting the time, let's look about the settings. We can change the name. Yeah, change the name of the laptop. Just now the laptop I was using is the Asus PC. So now I'm going to use the HP PC. All right. There's a few important things you have to untick. I mean, you may have to access which is the access rights. Yeah, the access rights, and also the advanced network analysis. So just click OK. It's saving the thing, and here it is. You can see the management system here. So here we can just view everything, adding sensors and all. So here the local probe and our base SSPC management. So that's all from me. Thank you.